sure he's linking. And I think we're going to have to wet sand it. I'm trying to polish it up. And it's got a lot of little scratches in it. And it's a small, very small piece.
The other thing, George, is I have the ashtrays soaking in acid over there. That's all I'm doing is I'm assembling ashtrays right now. I'm just trying to get rid of the flash rust that happened last night. And then I'm gonna never dull this and put it back into the ashtray housing. We got the radiator in yesterday. We're waiting on coolant to show up. And Jared's over there assembling the light housings for the door panels. And then we're going to start assembling door panels. How goes it down there?
No bueno.
No bueno? Okay. ¿Por qué no bueno?
One of the...
We are getting this car buttoned up to go back together so that I can get out of here. So we spent yesterday assembling the door panels, getting the trim on, getting the lights in, getting all that done. We've changed out all the bolts. Today was spent making sure the car doors are mechanically sound, the front ones. So we checked our handles, we checked our latches, we made sure that's all working. We cleaned our switches, greased them up, tested them. We got new light bulbs in the door. We made sure our window motors are working fine. Tomorrow we're gonna finish up adjusting the windows so we don't have any gaps or anything going on. And then we will check the vacuum lock system for the doors. Once that's done, we'll put the plate over it. we will put the door panel on, and we will finish assembling the front doors. Then we will begin working on the back doors, which are a little bit more difficult because of the automatic drop that they have. You're gonna have to loosen the bottom one too, because remember I had to like force it up. I'm just stretching. I'm old. Jared had to get in the car because my hip froze up. Okay, see if you can move the window up and down. Grab it by the run, kid. Okay, I saw movement. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna open the door. Okay, you're loose there. You're loose there. You're loose there. Excuse me.
I mean, a little bit.
Alright, we didn't chip anything, we're good. I'm gonna close this. Okay. That was... Wow. Okay. So, it's like way too off down here.
Towards the back.